Is that recording? Can you guess where I am? Damn straight, I'm back at the airport. I'm actually today going on my final continent in the world, or the sixth and final continent I would like to see. Ticking off the bucket list, we're going to South America. Security, now off to the tax refund scheme. I'll tell you a bit more about it when I get there. Hopefully the line's not too long.
2,000 years later.
So yeah, the tax refund system, pretty simple to understand. Essentially, you've got to spend about 900 bucks in one transaction within 60 days of you traveling, and then you can get the GST portion of your purchase back from the government. But now I'm gonna go to the business lounge, chill for a while, and then wait for the flight, which should be boarding in about an hour's time. Hey, hi, good, thank you. So I'm just in the lounge now. I think I've stumbled across like a New Zealand, like the All Blacks team maybe? Like this big rugby players, they look like they're from New Zealand. They're just sitting on the other side. Like, I think it's the All Blacks team. This morning in the lounge, super busy. Really hard to find a seat actually. I think once the morning peak goes, everything will settle down again. I'm gonna take a quick shower before I go because it's quite humid this morning and it's one I don't get clean. The other boys have just taken off from Mexico and then they got like a 9-hour transit in Colombia before they have their final flight. Meanwhile, I'll be flying 14 hours to Santiago and then another 2.5 hours up to Lima, and then finally the final flight of about an hour. I'm really keen. It's my final trip before full-time work starts, so yeah. Flight board's in like 10 minutes. That means a 10-minute shower. Ultimate comfort right there for you. Feeling good, ready to go. Well, flight's boarding now. I'm gonna walk over there. Should be about a 10-minute walk, and then first stop, finally get onto South American soil and tick off the final continent. Yeah. That way? Okay, no worries. Jeez, I already got people out calling final call. It's like still half an hour before departure. Why are you closing the gate so early? Like, why is boarding an hour beforehand? Oh well, at least I made it. So, flight 1 of 3. Let's do this. Santiago, LA9, final call. Thank you very much. See you guys. I swear I'm like the second last or third last person on this plane. Like, Jesus Christ, why is it so early?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Anne.
Thank you. Ordered, ready to go. Quiero una novia! See you! As you can probably tell, I had a really good flight with Latam. Really impressed. Their crew is sensational. They're really fun to talk to and enjoyable to be with. The service was top notch. Got about half an hour before my next flight boards. 6:40 Lima. So sure got plenty of time. Gate number C03. Yeah, so gonna go hit the lounge up. Where the fuck is the lounge? I have no idea where I'm going. I found it. Oh my god. Literally, it is impossible to find this freaking lounge. Is there a shower? Okay, let me just get a water. Oh, so quiet.
Over here.
Okay.
This is a clinic today.
Okay. So I've got like 20 minutes in here before I need to run off. So I'm gonna shower quickly, get a bit of food in, get a lot of water in because I'm so dehydrated, and then run off to Lima. Literally, as I turned on the water, they just called my flight for boarding. So I'm in a rush. I need to go print off something and then I'm gonna run to the gate. Do you have a business center where I can print some documents? Alright, got my shower in, got my documents. Now I'm on to my next flight. It's a final call and I've got to get 20 minutes to get there. Okay, I'll be good, I'll be good, I'll be good. No worries. Hello.
Morning. Passport.
Made it, no problems. That shower kind of was wasted, now I'm all sweaty again.
We have closed our doors before schedule and waiting now for the last instruction and cargo compartment procedures. Flight time this morning will be 3 hours and 20 minutes.
We hope to see you on board soon for your next flight with us. LATAM, together, further.
Just got off the plane. We're in Lima now. Welcome to Peru. I'm the second one off the plane. Gonna go through immigration and customs. Flight was pretty good. Got a nice meal in. I'm literally running on about 2.5 hours of sleep. But what's cheering me up? Look at these apron views. But yeah, one more connection and then this like 20+ hour trip across the South Pacific will be finished. Alright, customs was a breeze, not a single person in the line, which is fantastic. Yeah, after this I'm gonna check my bags in for my next flight and then just chill. Because the next destination, it's not gonna be easy on my health. Yeah, I got 2 bags. I got one full of your stuff, which is the one that just came through. And then I got one more, which is my stuff. Ugh. Well, I'm in Lima now. I just gave the others a call. They're in the final destination right now. All 4 of them are having stomach aches because they've had too much drinking in the last couple days in Mexico. And they also haven't had much of rest since they've been, they had stayed up for 9 hours in Colombia. Oh my God, it is so hot outside. I'm going inside. Yeah, I'm going to go to the departure gates. I am so keen to just lay on a bed. Also, a couple hours till I see my good friends who definitely are waiting for me because I have half their luggage for their trip. Just cleared security for the last time today. Santiago and Lima, I've both gotten water through. Now, isn't it supposed to be like 100 mils that you can't bring over? Oh my goodness, look ahead of me. Just look how many people there are here today. This is crazy. Alright, so I guess this is the terminal. It is literally congested as legit. How are you supposed to find a place to sit here? Literally, how? Because there's no seats outside. Came to this restaurant for a quick break. At least it's got air conditioning. It's got Wi-Fi. And I got myself a nice cappuccino. It's only 10 soles, so it's about 4 Oz bucks. It's pretty cheap for something this big. I'll be here for the next hour. Wait for my flight. For the next one. Still don't know where I'm going, do you? It's just the last one of the day. After 20 so hours, finally made it. And before I forget, welcome to Cusco, the gateway to Machu Picchu. I'm losing my breath. Hey everyone, just want to wish you guys firstly happy 2020. Hope the year's been great for you guys. I got a big announcement to make on the channel. This year my New Year's resolution has been to give YouTube a really hot go, like really give my best shot. In light of this, I will be posting a new video every second week throughout 2020. It's my goal to really invest some time and find a proper hobby and really make sure that I produce awesome content for you guys to watch. So I'm really looking forward to this year. I'm really looking forward to making awesome videos so that you guys can, for you guys to watch. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button below, around here or here. Make sure you turn on notifications so that you know exactly when my next video is going to come out. And lastly, make sure to be ready every second Wednesday night, 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time or Standard Time, depending on time zone. A new video will be posted onto YouTube on my channel. Look forward to it. Peace.